and shopping shoes can come across as quite a struggle because you don't know what could be the exact Indian size alternative of a UK or US shoe size number, let's say 6. According to measuring standards of different countries, either the shoe size number 6 matches with Indian shoe size number 5 or number 7. So this is the problem where Indians are still stuck to European or American shoe size system for shopping shoes. But now as a solution, a recent 2021-2022 survey has come up proposing the need for a new shoe sizing system particularly catering to Indian feet. And that measuring standard would be called BHA. The survey covered 1,01,880 people across 79 locations in 5 geographical zones, and it concluded: Number 1. The growth of the foot size of an average Indian woman peaked at the age of 11 years, whereas an Indian man's foot size growth peaked at about 15 or 16 years. Number 2. Overall, Indians' feet were found to be wider than those of Europeans or Americans. Number 3. Many Indians were found to be wearing extra long, ill-fitted and tight footwear. Number 4. For men, the shoelaces were found to be tightened much more than the ideal to ensure the shoes are not loose-fitting or ill-fitting. So now what are the BHA standard recommendations for Indian feet? BHA proposes 8 footwear sizes. Shoe size number 1 for 0 to 1 year old infant. Number 2 for 1 to 3 year old babies. Number 3 for 4 to 6 year old small children. Number 4 for 7 to 11 year old children. Number 5 for 12 to 13 year old girls. Number 6 for 12 to 14 year old boys. Number 7 for 14 and above women. And number 8 for 15 and above men. Now, why India must adopt this recommendation? It is necessary because by wearing footwear not designed according to their feet specification, Indians have been vulnerable to injuries, for example shoe bites, and they also compromise their foot health, especially the elderly women and diabetic patients. As of now, the BHA system is still waiting for approval under the Union Ministry of Commerce, and it is expected that the system will be implemented near soon around 2025. So for more such interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.